Imagine waking up to a flock of chatty birds. What are they saying? Get ready to find out. The bluebird says it's time for some serious gossip. Can you believe their chatter? And then the parrot yells breaking news about a worm dance party. What a wild morning! Then the flamingo politely requests sugar for her tea, while the pigeon shows off his moves. Meanwhile, two robins argue about who sings better while the crow spins some tunes. Can you imagine the chaos? A tiny hummingbird zips by, leaving rainbow trails. She can't believe how slowly you move. Finally, the sleepy owl grumbles about all the noise. It's too early for chirping chaos.